used to convert clamping ring drains to integrated bonding flange drains when removal of the clamping ring drain is not practical. There are two kit sizes available, 5 1/4 inch or KDA 5 and 7 1/2 inch or KDA 7. Let's take a look at what's inside each of the kits. The KDA 5 contains a 5 1/4 inch diameter stainless steel adapter ring, which replaces the clamping ring of the installed drain. A bonding flange designed to integrate with the adapter ring is provided as well. It's important to recognize that the adapter flanges are different from the standard KERDI-DRAIN flanges sold separately and are not interchangeable. The kit also includes a height adjustment collar for the KERDI-DRAIN grate. The KDA 7 kit contains a 7 1/2 inch diameter adapter ring and corresponding bonding flange. The kit also includes a lateral adjustment ring, which is provided for the KERDI-DRAIN grate. The grate assembly is sold separately from the KERDI-DRAIN-A adapter kit. Grate kits include a drain grate, height adjustment collar, and lateral adjustment ring. When using the KDA 5, use the height adjustment collar from the adapter kit only. The height adjustment collar and lateral adjustment ring included with the grate kits are not compatible with the KDA 5. However, when using the KDA 7, use the height adjustment collar from the grate assembly in combination with the lateral adjustment ring from the adapter kit. The lateral adjustment ring included with the grate kits are not compatible with the KDA 7. The tileable grate cannot be used with the KERDI-DRAIN adapter flanges. The KERDI-DRAIN-A adapter kits can be used with either a mortar base or the Schluter KERDI shower prefabricated shower trays. First, we'll demonstrate installation of the KDA 5. The process is the same for the KDA 7. Remove the clamping ring from the installed drain. Be sure to save the bolts for the installation of the adapter ring. Align the bolt pattern of the clamping ring with the matching punch-outs in the adapter ring. The bolt patterns are designed to line up with the majority of clamping ring drains. Punch the matching inserts out through the adapter ring. Apply a continuous 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch bead of Schluter KERDI Fix to the underside of the adapter ring or on the clamping ring drain itself, making sure to encircle the bolt holes. Align the holes in the adapter ring with the bolt holes in the installed drain and place the adapter ring on the installed drain flange. Reinsert and tighten the bolts. Bolts are to be finger tight plus 1/4 turn. Use a crossing pattern to create even compression of the gasket. Do not over-tighten, as this may warp the adapter ring and result in leaks. The adapter flange will be inserted into the adapter ring and must sit flush with or slightly below the surface of the KERDI shower tray. The bonding flange in the KDA 7 has a relatively long outlet in order to reach drains that are recessed into floors. In some cases, it will be necessary to shorten the outlet to prevent the flange from sitting above the shower tray. This can be done with a saw or rotary cutting tool. Depending on the elevation of the installed clamping ring drain, it may be necessary to raise the elevation of the substrate before installing the tray. A polystyrene foam panel, tile backer board, or other underlayment may be used for this purpose. The required underlayment thickness can vary with the installed drain elevation and shower tray thickness. For example, when using one of the KERDI Shower TT thin tray options, a thicker underlayment may be necessary. Make sure to measure and dry fit components before installation. In this video, installation of a polystyrene foam panel will be demonstrated. Polystyrene foam is lightweight, easy to cut, and may be used over both plywood and concrete substrates. Be sure not to use a moisture-sensitive underlayment, such as plywood, in applications over concrete, particularly young concrete or concrete on grade that is subject to moisture migration. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to the installation of the panel. Apply any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar to the substrate using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notch trowel. Place the foam panel and solidly embed in the mortar. Using the same trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the underlayment. Place the KERDI shower tray and solidly embed in the mortar. Next, we will install the bonding flange. Apply thin-set mortar to completely fill the step in the shower tray. Press the adapter flange firmly into the mortar to ensure full support. Check the drain for level. Clean the excess mortar from the top of the bonding flange to prepare for the KERDI collar installation. Install the KERDI collar using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Apply the mortar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel or the Schluter KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design. Using the flat side of the trowel, apply thin-set mortar over the bonding flange and within the recessed area of the shower tray surrounding the drain. Then, comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. Center the included KERDI collar over the KERDI-DRAIN-A adapter flange and embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Clean the excess mortar from the bonding flange. The installation of the KDA5 and the prefabricated tray are now complete. When installing KERDI-DRAIN-A with a mortar base, follow the same process for installing the adapter ring. Before installing the drain flange, place a ring of loose mortar around the inlet hole in the floor. Pay close attention to filling the area over the existing drain and adapter ring. Slide the adapter flange into the adapter ring and solidly embed the flange in the mortar to ensure full support. Clean the excess mortar from the top of the bonding flange. Check the drain for level and adjust as required. The mortar bed is placed flush with the top of the bonding flange, and work on the shower assembly may continue. We have successfully converted the clamping ring drain to an integrated bonding flange drain and can continue with the Schluter shower system installation. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check our YouTube channel to view our videos.